y times x. Now, a lot of students write negative 5yx, but mathematicians don't really like that. We don't like it when it looks like that. We think it's just odd. Alphabetical. We like our variables alphabetical when they're multiplying. So put the x first. That's allowed. Remember, when you multiply, it doesn't matter the order. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. So I'm going to put minus 5xy, and then negative 5y times y. Negative 5y squared. And then just like before, the middle two terms go together. We have positive 3, negative 5. So 3x squared minus 2xy minus 5y squared. And that's your answer. All right, very last multiplication problem. It looks harder, but I promise it's not. It's just a little bit extra work. Take my first term, 2x, and we're multiplying it by the second parentheses. 9x squared minus 3x plus 2. And then we have our plus 5 times our second set of parentheses. Distribute. It's just a little extra distributing. 2 times 9 is 18. X times x squared is x to the third minus 2 times 3 is 6. X times x is x squared. 2 times 2 is 4. Don't forget that x. Plus, now this is nice, it's a plus, so we don't have to worry about signs as much. 45x squared. 3 and 5 is 15x. 5 and 2 is 10. Now the most difficult part about this is the combining like terms. We have like terms we have to combine together. Is there another x cubed? Nope. So rewrite it. We have negative 6x squared and 45x squared. So we're going to put those together. They're opposite signs, so subtract. 39x squared. We also have this positive 4x. Is there another x? Yep, right there. Put those together. Again, they're opposite signs. You get negative 11x. And then finally plus 10, which you can't do anything with. And we're done. All right. So that's all the multiplication. We've got 3 more problems, and that's going to be division. Number 11. 80x to the 5th over 4x to the 3rd. Number 12. 22x to the 4th minus 14x squared all over 2x squared. And number 13, 6x to the 5th times 10x to the 8th all over 15x to the 10th. Number 13 is the hard one. All right, pause the video. Whoops, try them on your own. So number 11 is basic. Just divide. Divide the coefficients. 80 divided by 4 is 20. Subtract your exponents, x squared. Done. Number 12 is a little harder because we have 2 things on top. Remember, this is like distributing. So what I like to do is write the original. And then I'm dividing, both of these get divided by 2x squared. And I like writing it like this to prevent mistakes. 22 divided by 2 is 11. X to the 4th, x squared, subtract, minus. Now, on the homework, this is where a lot of people made mistakes. X squared over x squared cancels out. You're left with 14. A lot of people put 14x. That x squared goes away. Anything divided by itself cancels to 1. All right? Now, 13 is a little challenging. What you're going to do is you're going to multiply first. Multiply the top and then divide. All right? So 6 times 10 is 60. 5 and 8 is 13. Then divide by your 15x to the 10th. Okay? So simplify the top if you can, then divide. Here, you couldn't simplify those. It's impossible. You're not allowed. All right? So here, 60 divided by 15 is 4. 13 minus 10 is 3. And that's the answer. Okay? And we are done. That is the review of multiplying and dividing monomials and polynomials. Have a good day.